You lovely people, I welcome you to the Wiseglows channel, and this is Sanchita R Basu. Just want to say a full huge thank you to all of you for being here. And yes, this is the first channel introduction video. So let's get started. Just to give you some background, guys, I'm a software engineer. I'm working in the IT last 11 years, and I always wanted to start YouTube. So it finally happened last year in July 2025. I started to post content on lipstick and lipstick swatches. And so this time I want to try the long format as well, because long format में कैसे होता है ना guys कि I get a chance to connect with my audience very closely, and I can take up your suggestion and your recommendations. So do not forget to comment on the video so that I can take up your suggestion and recommendations in my upcoming videos. Coming up next will be definitely a lot of lipstick swatches. Along with that, I'm gonna try more of skincare and unboxing videos, genuine review videos, and majorly affordable ज़्यादा रहेंगे. So the college goers and the homemakers, the office goers, everybody can actually check the catalog and better उनको अच्छे से help हो सके. Definitely suggest me more such topics so that I can like create those for you guys. And if you are also like me who love beauty content, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your like means a lot to me, guys. So yes, I will definitely see you in my next video. Up until then, please take care and keep glowing. Bye.